In this video, we're going to practice solving a system of equations using the elimination method. So when we try and eliminate something, that means we're trying to get rid of it. We're trying to get it to cancel out. So in this case, we are trying to either get rid of our x's or get rid of our y's. The way we do this is we look to have either the x's or the y's have the same number in front of them, but those numbers to be opposite signs. So one positive and one negative. This is our first example, so it's set up pretty nicely in front of us. If we look at our y's, we can see that they have opposite signs, but the same number is out front. Now look, there's not a number actually written there, but we know if there is not a number out front, it means 1, right? So we have negative 1y and a positive 1y. That means they will cancel out. So I'm going to rewrite our equations. 2x minus y equals 12, and 3x plus y equals 3. So we're really just adding these equations together. But when I do a negative 1y plus 1y, that's like saying negative 1 plus 1, that gets us 0. So our y's are gone. They've been eliminated. And now we're just left with x's, and we can solve our problem. So I'm going to do 2x plus 3x, which gets me 5x. That equal sign stays there, and now I'm going to do 12 plus 3, which gets us 15. Now I just have one step to get x all by itself. I have to get rid of that 5. Since 5 is being multiplied by x, I'm going to divide by 5 so that it cancels out. I have to do the same thing on both sides, so I get x equals 3. So we write our solutions to a system of equations as an ordered pair. We just figured out x, so 3 goes in our first spot in our ordered pair. Now that we know x, we can use that information to find y. You can go back and plug that 3 in for x in either one of the equations. It does not matter which equation you use from your original pair. Pick the one that you like best and put 3 in where you see x. You will get the same answer no matter which equation you use. I'm going to use the second equation. 3x plus y equals 3. But now I know that x is 3. So anywhere I see x, I'm going to put 3. I put that in parentheses because 3x means 3 times x. So parentheses tell me I still need to multiply. So I've plugged that in and everything else stays the same. 3 times 3 equals 9, plus y equals 3. Now my last step to get y by itself would be to move that 9 to the other side of my equation. To do that, I have to do the opposite of what's happening right now. So that is a positive 9, which means I need to subtract that 9 to get it to cancel out. And I'm going to be left with y equals negative 6. So then I'm going to write that in my ordered pair, negative 6. So my final answer is 3, negative 6, meaning x equals 3 and y equals negative 6.